we're expecting company to come, and I'd like to have a little snack for them. I happened to find this in the Dollar Tree here, our local Dollar Tree. So in Ontario, that meant this package of muffin mix cost $1.25. It says on here that you can make it for 3 minutes from pouch to oven. So 3 minutes is not half bad. So I'm curious, is this going to work? It's going to take 1 pouch of mix, and I can either use half a cup of water or half a cup of milk. And I'm going to use milk today because I like muffins made with the milk. It's a nicer texture to them. So let's see just how long this actually takes. I'm even going to put it here into a large measuring cup, because then I can use the spout to pour it out into the little things, the little muffin containers. I think this is supposed to make 6 larger muffins. Yeah, if it opens, it's good. But I'm going to make it into little 12 bite-sized pieces because they go around a little lot farther then. There's the muffin mix, and we need 1/2 cup of milk. Here we are. So there's our milk into the mix. And now we stir. So I can see the little bits of what I would assume to be dehydrated blueberries in here. It smells very blueberry. If this were a homemade muffin mix with real blueberries in it, I would caution you to be very careful how much you actually do stir it together, because blueberries have a tendency to break open, and then everything turns purple. And purple muffins are very interesting, but not necessarily the way that you want to go. Okay. So mixy, 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 mix, mix, mix. Batter's a little lumpy, so I'll mix it a little more. Turning the mix kind of blue, but not as much as it would if these were fresh blueberries, that's for certain. There we go. Okay, now I'm going to put this into my muffin container. And I'm sorry, I am right-handed, therefore I need to do it this way. And actually, that's kind of a thick mix. That's not going to pour out like I wanted it to. That's okay. My theory is also that if this should make 6 large muffins, it should make probably a dozen small ones. So this is going quickly enough. Don't have to crack open the eggs. Measure out all the flour and the other ingredients. As I say, they do smell very blueberry-ish, if that counts. I'm sorry, this is probably painful to watch. I'll just tell you if it comes out to 3 minutes or not. Okay, so I want to make sure very carefully so they don't pop out. Like these are all fairly equal, because I actually have some batter left after doing this. I have enough that I can make, can you see there? I can make 1 more. So that's good. I get to try it out for you, and I'll let you know how they taste. It's a bit of a wild, windy day. My goodness. As I'm making these, and the power is already flashed out, so here's trusting that they would keep working for me while I'm making the muffins. The nice thing is that as you can see, the snow is going down quickly. So that didn't take long at all. And they puffed up really, really nicely. So now comes the taste test. Let's see here. Pull it apart. There's the little blueberry pieces. Got a nice little bit of a crust on top. Mmm. You know what? Sorry, it's rude to talk with your mouth full, but these are really nice. So I've got myself a nice fresh cup of tea and the blueberry muffin. These are definitely worth the 3 minutes and $1.25. That sounds terrible. These are good. These are definitely good. Just saying. And there we have it. 18 minutes later, and without the power going out, we have a baker's dozen of tiny little blueberry muffins. So that's all right. And they smell pretty good. Actually, if you ask my son, they smell like blueberry waffles. If you've enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you enjoy encouraging Christian music videos and good wholesome fun, maybe consider subscribing to our channel. And we'll see you again next time. Blessings!